everyone. Today our topic for discussion is non-alignment movement. So my dear students, as we know that after the end of World War II in 1945, we see that world was divided into two powerful military blocks. Capitalist bloc and socialist bloc. Capitalist bloc and socialist bloc. Socialist bloc. This capitalist bloc, it was led by USA, and socialist bloc, it was led by USSR. USSR means the Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. And we see that the Cold War was started between these two powerful military blocs. At that time, we see that many newly independent Asian and African countries, they were given choice either to join one bloc or another bloc. And we see that the leaders of the newly independent countries, Asian and African countries, clear, they decided neither to join one bloc nor another, but to remain aloof from powerful military blocs, to remain neutral from powerful blocs, clear. So it led to the formation of non-alignment movement, clear. So non-alignment movement means the principle of neutrality, to remain neutral, to remain aloof from powerful military blocs, And we see that the world was divided at that time into two powerful military blocs, capitalist bloc and socialist bloc, and Cold War was started between these two, clear. Newly independent Asian and African countries, they decided neither to join one bloc nor another, and it led to the formation of non-alignment movement. As we know that the non-alignment movement is an international form, and presently we see that it is the international form of 120 developing countries that believe in the idea of non-alignment with the major power blocks. So non-alignment, we see that the basic concept for the group, it was originated in 1955. In 1955, we see that the leaders of newly independent countries of Asian and African countries, clear, they started discussions. We see that discussions took place at the Asian African Bandung Conference. 1945 में क्या हुआ? Bandung Conference हुई. कहाँ पे? Bandung Conference held in Indonesia में हुई. And we see that the newly independent countries, leaders of newly independent countries, they decide to remain aloof from powerful military blocs, clear, and it led to the formation of non-alignment movement. So non-alignment movement क्या है? To remain aloof, to remain neutral, clear, from powerful military blocs, neither to join one bloc nor to another, clear. And we see that the founding fathers of the non-alignment movement the founding fathers, first Joseph Tito of Yugoslavia. As we know that Yugoslavia is presently known as Serbia. The founding fathers of non-alignment movement was Joseph Tito of Yugoslavia, General Abdel Nasser of Egypt, clear, Jawaharlal Nehru of India, and Kwame Nkrumah of Ghana, and Sukarno of Indonesia. These were the founding fathers of non-alignment movement. So non-alignment movement क्या है? The principle of neutrality. It believes on principle of neutrality, clear. And we see that the first conference of non-alignment movement, it was held in Belgrade in 1961. In 1961, first conference of the idea of non-alignment movement, it was originated in 1955. Bandung Conference, Asian African Bandung Conference, जो कहाँ पे हुई? इंडोनेशिया में, clear. And first जो इसकी conference, it was held in Yugoslavia, former Yugoslavia, now known as Serbia. Belgrade, Yugoslavia, now known as Serbia, clear. And we see that the members of 25 countries attend the first meeting of non-alignment movement, which was held in Belgrade in September 1961, clear. And so far the objective of this non-alignment movement is concerned, we see that the main objective of the non-alignment movement is to keep away the newly independent countries of Asia and Africa from the superpower rivalry, and protect and preserve the newly acquired independence. So newly independent Asian and African countries, they decided क्या neither to join capitalist bloc nor socialist bloc, but to make friendly relation between the two to remain aloof from power. We see that from power politics, from powerful, we see that from military blocks. Clear? Because Cold War चल रहा था, उन्होंने सोचा अब we see that क्योंकि उनको आजादी वहीं पे उसी टाइम आजादी मिली थी 1947 में. we see that many Asian and African countries they got independence. Clear? इसलिए उन्होंने join decide किया. They decided neither to join one power military bloc nor another military bloc. So objective क्या था? To keep away the newly independent countries of Asia and Africa from the superpower rivalry between USA and USSR and protect and preserve their newly appeared independence. Clear? And second main objective of the non-aligned movement was to oppose. It was opposed colonialism, imperialism. As we know that the colonialism means when a powerful country controls the resource of the weak country is known as colonialism. So imperialism means a political subjugation. When a powerful country politically subjugates the territory of weak country is known as imperialism. So non-aligned movement was against, it was opposite, it was against colonialism, imperialism and racial discrimination. Clear? And we see that this non-aligned movement is advocated sovereignty, equality of all states. Sovereignty, equality, and all states. And we see that another important objective aim and objective of the non-aligned movement was to encourage friendly relations among countries. Clear? And we see that to advocate peaceful settlement of international disputes. This non-aligned movement was opposed the use of force and the use of nuclear weapons. Clear? And we see that the non-aligned movement it was in favor to protect the human rights. Clear? It supported. We see that to protect the human rights and environment and to build it. We see that the main aim was to build a new international economic order. NEO supported NEO to build a new international economic order. New international economic based on equality and justice. And it promoted international peace, mutual respect for each other's territorial sovereignty and integrity. Clear? And we see that presently there are 120 members. There are the total members. Presently we see that this non-aligned movement is an international organization, an international forum of 120 developing countries. So the total members are presently we see that in non-aligned movement there are 120 members, 17 observer countries, 10 observer organizations. And we see that the headquarters of non-aligned movement they are situated in Jakarta, the capital of Indonesia. Clear? And we see that total summits, first summit was held in 1961 and last summit was held in 2019. The last summit it was held in 2019. 25 October 2019 कहाँ पे? अजरबैजान में. ठीक है ना? And we see that total summits आज तक कितनी हुई? non-aligned movement 18 summits were held. 18 summits were held. Clear? 18 summits first कहाँ पे हुई? बलग्रेड में, जहां से एस्टेब्लिशमेंट होता है, वहीं से होती है फाउंडेशन ऑफ non-alignment movement. Clear? So non-aligned movement क्या है? Simply means that it was a movement started by whom? Started by newly Asian and African countries for what purpose? To protect their sovereignty, integrity, and freedom and independence. Clear? And not to remain another object, not to remain aloof, not to join either of two powerful military blocks. So dear students, आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे another, we see that नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर हम डिस्कस करेंगे नॉन-अलाइन्ड मूवमेंट के बारे में, इंडिया रिलेशंस, we see that डिस्कस करेंगे. सो वीडियो को देखने के साथ साथ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें.